Hi there, Chris here, and Suki, hanging out in the Lock Lab, and we are going to try and pick, yes, Suki, this beautiful little Lockwood padlock, pardon me, that was sent to me by Pocket Woman. And here's the little box. Are we focusing? I can't see. Come on. There we go. And there's the bidding on the key. And it works quite well, I think. So we're going to try and get into this. Hasuki. She's excited. You could tell. All right. I think I may use my baby pick, which is a repurposed, reshaped sparrow's worm, I think it was. Or I might use my own homebrewed pick, which is made out of a feeler gauge, which I have still yet to put a handle on. Anyway, let me get around the camera here and see if I can get into here. I think this feeler gauge is 18 or 0.18. 0.18? Oh, I don't know, I'm spacing. Having a senior moment. I do have a slight turn on the core, but I think I lost it. Not really feeling it with this pick. There's that slight turn. I think I might need to use either the baby one or maybe even a bigger one. I'll try that. Yeah, I think I need something bigger. I'm close. I can feel it happening. Well, shoot. I'll try this sparrow's short hook or medium hook or whatever it is. It's giving me a hard time on camera. How about that? Well, they do that. They like to give you a hard time on camera. Whoa, I zipped myself right out of there. I wonder if I can use maybe this guy. Big wrench for a little lock. I'll try this. Go back to the baby pick. And there we go. We got a, oh, look out, I had a rack. We have an open. Anyway, this is a very cool, thank you, Pocket Woman, little Australian Lockwood. It's a 232, a baby one. There again is the key. You can see it there. And very cool lock. So, hit the like, hit the hit the subscribe. Definitely leave a comment. Say, hey, your videos are cool, or hey, your videos suck. We're tired of Lockwoods. What's wrong with you? Anyway, whatever you like. Once again, thank you, Pocket Woman. And she's all marked up here, so I know where it came from. And we will see you all next time.